news anchor of Gurukul's Voice channel. Welcome to the most interesting volume of the 4th month of the year, which marks the beginning of new financial year and also marks the beginning of new year as per Hindu calendar. With pleasant weather and blooming flowers, it's the time of renewal and rejuvenation. The month sees several notable national and international days, which are celebrated with various aspects of culture, heritage and achievement.
If April shower should come your way, they bring the flowers that bloom in May. Greetings everyone. This is your co-host Aradhya Bhatia for the new volume of Gurukul's Voice Journal. 19th Founders Day was celebrated in the school with great zest and enthusiasm. A special assembly marked the beginning of this celebration. Students of grade 12 conducted assembly by presenting thoughts, articles, amazing facts and all woven around the school's glorious past. Thereafter, manager sir and principal ma'am bestowed their blessings and best wishes on this auspicious day. Even the teacher expressed their emotions on this special day.
Gurukul is the most inclusive place. Gurukul is the most fantastic place. Gurukul is the most marvelous place. Gurukul is the most progressive place. Gurukul is the place of creation for future. Gurukul is the most motivating place.
Thereafter, cake cutting ceremony was held in each class. Students were very excited and enjoyed it with their class teachers. School authorities also joined them in the celebration.
Which is observed on 7th of April globally. It commenced with thoughts, articles, amazing facts, and students spoke about various important services provided by the healthcare professionals. It was concluded by Mr. Shubham Batra and finally by Mr. Sanjay Chabra.
Another exclusive assembly was conducted by students of grade 12 prior to Eid ul-Fitr, which holds spiritual significance for Muslims. In assembly, students reflected on various values learned during Ramadan, such as compassion, gratitude, etc., and expressed their gratitude to Allah for His blessings.
One more special assembly held on the occasion of Vaisakhi by the students of 12th Science. They decorated the stage with wheat grains and colorful dupattas. The senior girls danced on Bhangra beats and let the students tap their feet and twist their toes. The special assembly and Bhangra filled a new energy in the students. It was concluded by Mr. Sanjay Chabra.
We formed a special batch and named that batch as ID batch. This batch will be mentored by Physics Wala. A special session for counseling of students for this batch along with their parents was held on 2nd of April. Among the speakers were Principal Ma'am, who welcomed the parents and highlighted the idea behind the creation of this special batch. Thereafter, Manager Sir elaborated stressing on the special batches and facilities they would be given. Parents also expressed their thoughts regarding the same.
Election का पर्व देश का गर्व. Grandly Gurukulians always step ahead. They performed a street play, Nukkad Natak, for the election campaign. Their script was meaningful and appealing. They attracted large crowd wherever they performed. Let's devote few seconds to view it.
तो सबसे पहले वोट दो,
सबसे पहले वोट दो, सबसे पहले वोट दो।
चाहे नर हो या नारी, मतदान है हम सबकी जिम्मेदारी।
मतदान है हम सबकी जिम्मेदारी, मतदान है हम सबकी जिम्मेदारी।
बनो देश के भाग्य विधाता, अब जागो प्यारे मतदाता,
अब जागो प्यारे मतदाता, अब जागो प्यारे मतदाता।
नहीं करेंगे यदि मतदान, होगा बहुत बड़ा नुकसान।
होगा बहुत बड़ा नुकसान, होगा बहुत बड़ा नुकसान।
बहकावे में कभी न आना, सोच समझकर बटन दबाना।
Our teachers are not behind. They also showed their interest towards elections, and to encourage the parents for 100% voting, they prepared a video requesting and urging the parents to fulfill their civic responsibility of casting their precious votes.
न जाति पे न धर्म पे वोट डलेगा कर्म पे।
समय वोट के लिए निकाले, जिम्मेदारी कभी न टाले।
चाहे नर हो या नारी, वोट देना सबकी जिम्मेदारी।
एजुकेशन इज मस्ट, बट वोटिंग इज फर्स्ट। 19 अप्रैल को छुट्टी नहीं, ड्यूटी है। मतदान अवश्य करें। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Navratri and Durga Puja stand as India's most popular festival, steeped in culture, magnificence and fervent devotion. Gurukulians do not spare any celebration. Hence, on the 8th day of Ashtami, a special assembly was held separately by primary wing and senior ones. Apart from article, thoughts, a spiritual performance was given by senior girls venerating 9 distinct forms or avatars of Goddess Durga.
लगन में मगन में नाचूं गाऊं तेरा जगराता, मैं बालक तू माता शेरा वाली है, टूटिए नाता शेरा वाली हो। मैं बालक तू माता शेरा वाली। मैया तेरी जय जयकार, मैया तेरी जय जयकार, दिल में लगा तेरा दरबार मैया।
In Saturday attractions, a wide range of activities were held. For kindergarten sections, object recognition was held, in which students identified various fruits and vegetables and spelled them in English. For grade 1st, 2nd and 3rd, it was thumb painting with watercolors. For grade 4th to 8th, it was poster making competition. Whereas for grade 9 to 12, it was create your own pledge or make collage, in which students showed an active participation.
Another special assembly on World Earth Day by the students of grade 11th on Monday 22nd of April. Besides articles, GK questions, thoughts, poem, etc. A meaningful skit was performed that apprised the students towards their moral duties in saving the earth and protected it from pollution and global warming.
To commemorate the birthday of Hindu deity Lord Hanumana or Pavan Putra, who is known to establish dharma on earth, embodying both Shakti and Bhakti and staunch devotee of Lord Rama. A special assembly dedicated to Lord Hanumana was conducted by students of grade 11th Commerce. The primary using of the school also presented an awesome assembly in which 4 students adorned themselves in the attire of Lord Rama, Mata Sita, Lord Lakshman and Lord Hanumana. The loud jaykaras of Jai Hanuman echoed in the whole school.
प्रफुल्लित बलधामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन वरण विराज सुबेसा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा हाथ ब्रज और ध्वजा विराजे कांधे मूज जनेऊ साजे शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित सुनिबे।
बैठे हैं मेरे सीने में, देख लो मेरे दिल के मदीने में, देख लो मेरे दिल के मदीने में, श्री राम जानकी बैठे हैं मेरे सीने।
On 23rd of April, Maths quiz was conducted in 2 segments. Initially, for primary section of the school, conducted by Priyanka Rawat ma'am, and Anand House was declared as the winner. For seniors, the quiz master was Mr. Shubham Batra. In seniors, Sachin House took the lead. This was the first quiz of the session.
People say that puppets can help children to learn poem and song as they imitate the puppets too. There are numbers of motor skills that children can learn through playing with puppets. As puppet show was organized as a part of Wednesday activity for toddlers. Children felt happy looking at the puppets created by their teachers.
Hope you all will wait for me updates. Till then, goodbye.
See you next month with some fresh news